So one of the effects that you can work with is NewBlue Cleaner and NewBlue Hum Remover. So to do that, I'm going to go around under Effects right here and under Audio. So over here you can see that NewBlue Cleaner is in effect. If I were to press the play button in my audio right now, this is what you hear. But if I were to go for NewBlue Cleaner right here, just like this, and apply it out, you can hear that the sound is much more softer. You can go around and see that there's hum frequency right here, just like this, that you can choose. And that particular hum is reduced. You can go around and change around the hum harmonics and go for hum cut right here in a certain volume level. That is what you hear. And you can see the individual parameters as well. If I were to go around and delete it, then I get back the audio. So if I were to go around over here, under audio right here, you have the hum remover, as you can see right here. And apart from that, you can also go around onto the hum remover right here. So we tried the cleaner. So similar effect is a hum remover right here, where you can go around and see the frequency. You can choose the frequency level that you want to remove the hum from, and then you can go around, change around the strength of the hum, and then change around the hum distortion right here, just like this. And press the play button, and that particular frequency is removed. And that is how you can utilize the NewBlue Cleaner and New Hum Remover. And the thing is, you need to go around and practice it out and then play around with the different frequencies to see how the sound actually sounds like. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.